Over the last month, I've consumed the equivalent of 8 walruses, a 24 pack of Sunny D, and 3 bowling balls worth of sugar and chocolate. Zero part of me ever wanted to do a no sugar challenge for YouTube, but if there was ever time, it's now when I'm like, literally the thought of it makes me sick. So here's me doing a no sugar challenge. That sounds quite refreshing right now. So the time has come. Goodbye, my lover. Good.
I wish that I was good enough.
My friend. Won't waste food, but we're gonna wrap this for future Keltie. Bye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. We'll have our last piece of chocolate together.
No! No!
Guys, I'm kind of over chocolate right now. So it is day 1, so it's been like 24 hours and no sugar. And it's kind of nice, I always get this weird nauseous feeling midday lately. And I wonder if it has something to do with sugar, because I'm not getting it right now. And I'm less hungry, so I will say that. I'm not actually craving chocolate right now, because I think I'm sick of it, but it's a habit. Like I'm kind of like midday and I just find myself being like, ooh, I have a coffee and like, let's do this. I miss you, but I also don't. I'm kind of over you, but at the same time, it's just this weird pull. I think that's what we call addiction, kids. Just right there, I walked right by this, and I remember there was a treat in there. Just out of habit, I was about to be like, oh, let's have one. No. Okay, I usually have a 3 o'clock dip in energy where I'm just like, but. Is this trippy? So this is voice. I got a new camera. Can you tell the difference? Does it sound better?
Yes!
How's the lighting? This is awful lighting, so I just ruined it. Yeah, a few days into this challenge, I'm feeling good. I feel less hangry, less crashes, but I do find myself just being like, I want something. Morning, day 4. This sucks! I just went to go put away receipts. And this, I love black licorice. And this, they're just sitting here. Oh no, they're exploding. Ah! They tried to escape. They know I'm weak. Put away, go away. Also, my body hasn't really changed. We'll see what happens to my body. I don't really have an outcome, but she's the same. Okay, I was just listening to Emma Chamberlain's podcast. I just had to share because it was like a ding, ding, ding moment. Something I've been doing in this challenge is not really to do with the challenge. It was just January new things. I've been cooking a lot more, and if you guys know me, I'm a big cooker. I love it. For whatever reason, last few months I've completely fallen off it just because there's like not people to cook for. It's weird cooking for yourself because you're like, it's just me. Like, why do I make it all pretty? And the last little bit, I've been trying to just cook every meal. And what she said hit the nail on the head. For her, cooking releases serotonin, and it does. Something about like off your phone, all you can think about it is it feels so good, you feel so accomplished, and when you eat the meal, you leave satisfied. So I've been doing that a lot this challenge, so I thought I'd share that with you guys. Food for thought. Oh my god, what a pun. What a pun. I just got so excited because look how good this cookie looks, and it's literally got like my initial. And then I remembered I was in this challenge. Aww. But I still bought it. I'll eat you soon. Whole grain pancake for breakfast. So while this pan is heating, let's have a healthy queen moment. We are just like, away I can have a little sweet something, no sugar. Athletic Greens. It's like vanilla matcha taste, like it's a little fruity, a little green tea, but sweet and vanilla-y. I like all those other green juices now that taste like crap. Like this is enjoyable. I know this challenge is weird because usually the nutrition to me is like adding more stuff in. It's not taking it away. It's a better way to view on it. Like add more of the good stuff, which leaves less room for the crappy stuff. And that is why I love Athletic Greens. 75 vitamins and minerals from whole food sources. It's good for your immune system, digestive health, energy. I could go on and on. Gut health I know is a big thing for a lot of people this year. It has pre and probiotics to just help digest everything, digestive enzymes. It's full of nutrients that are going to support your immune system, which I do not have to even go into depth about why that's important right now, because it pretty much goes with any lifestyle. Vegetarian, vegan, paleo, keto free. It's just an easy way to add more health. Every day we're not going to get everything in our diet. You know what? We're going to miss something. At least I know I always have this. It's my nutritional insurance and we love. So if you click my link down below and get the immunity bundle, which comes with the vitamin D3, they're they're gonna throw you 5. So click my link below and get the Athletic Greens Immunity Package, which is gonna come with the vitamin D as well, and you're gonna get 5 free travel packages with your order. Thank you, Athletic Greens, for sponsoring this video and just making me like healthy AF. I'm so productive! Okay, I just had a frozen blueberry. I think that's weird, but whatever. Fruit does taste sweeter. Now that I haven't had refined sugar for a while, so you know. That's just sophisticated taste now. So I impulse bought sugar-free baked goods, and I'm gonna review them now. Okay, first up, donuts. Smell like the leftover bag of mini donuts that have been sitting outside for about 8 hours at a sad old carnival. Oh, carnivals, that used to be a thing. Let's go. It tastes like a muffin that you brought to the beach and your picnic basket got wet. Grainy, moist, but not the good moist, lack of cinnamon flavor. 2 out of 10. Coconut muffin. I got high hopes. See, this I want to taste like the beach. Sounds like those cookie trays at Christmas that have been sitting out too long. Peels. Peel is satisfying. Better texture, no flavor, a little would eat again. There's the artificial taste that came. I was waiting for it. Bad aftertaste, good first taste. 3.69. Why did my mind just automatically go there? Out of 10. We'll still eat it, won't really enjoy it. We call this dinner, chop up everything in your fridge, drizzle it in olive oil, and bake it. So you'll notice Research Keltie is not going to be making an appearance in this video because we decided to give her the week off because sugar is polarizing on the internet and she's just not mentally capable of it. In essence, yes, sugar is in salad dressings, pasta sauces. Your fruits and vegetables all break down into simple sugars, and it is a very complicated thing. It typically can lead to overeating, which can lead to obesity and diabetes, and there's so many things, and that is not what this video is supposed to be. This is not a scientific deep dive. It was just more of like eliminating the cinnamon buns, the donuts, the Starbucks drinks, the 8 boxes of chocolate that I was having a week. Welcome to the Keltie O'Connor no sugar, but from here on out will be sugar, but for this one episode, no sugar cooking show. Okay, we are making, satisfy my sweet tooth, chocolate coconut bars, sugar-free. I just thought of something. Is there sugar in beer? My camera was just like, heart attack. Look how many grams of sugar is in beer. Am I drinking this for the irony? Yes. It's like a vaccine, injecting a little into me, building antibodies. Science! Step 1, set aside for later. Large mixing bowl, melted coconut oil. I'm just about to use my entire jar of coconut oil. Oh yeah, that jar is gone. Well, now, 3 cups of coconut, the whole thing. I don't think I have enough. Save you for later. We add the melted coconut. So I tried to find the natural sweetener, the least rot your gut one. Everyone says a swerve, which sounds like the lamest, like swerve. I didn't complete a single sentence. This is what happens when you live alone for too long. It didn't give me measurements. I was pouring until it tastes sweet. That works. Coconut oil has a new meaning in 2021. So it's anything I always royally screw up. It's melting chocolate in the microwave. Radiation frying our brain cells. Oh my god, I don't think I burnt it. This is a victory. Success. Ooh, though. Ooh, okay. Just realized this is gonna take longer than baking because it's gotta go in the fridge for like 2 hours. Through the magic of a SpongeBob meme.
2 hours later.
These are looking amazing, except one thing. It took a lot of effort to pick out the amazing looking ones. Here they are. It does not look 1/10 as good as the Pinterest recipe in typical Pinterest fashion, but let's go. Okay, this is good. I can get behind this! A little artificially compared to normal, but like, how about dinner? I'm a approaching the last couple days of this challenge, and I did just want to mention something that I like for myself. Take this as you will. I know doing things like this are kind of iffy. I don't want this to come off as like a diet. That's really not what I'm doing it. It's not like the banishment of sugar. It's quite the opposite. It's like the appreciation. I've just always tried to implement little moments in my life of being without something, so it no longer has a power over me. I stay in control, and I have like an appreciation. And not everyone in the world has the finances or just the availability to just grab a piece of chocolate whenever they want, and I do, and I don't take it for granted, and I wasn't even enjoying it. And so it was more of like a reset of being like, how lucky am I to just like grab a chocolate bar, and I want to sit there and I want to enjoy it. I want to savor. I want it to melt on my tongue and remind me of, bring me back to beautiful moments of my childhood or vacation, not just be like I'm just eating it to eat it. I think we just have to be a little bit better in the fitness world of like painting a more appreciation of food and culture and cuisine and the celebration of it, and realizing when we're like taking it for granted. And you don't have to go extreme. You can just start taking it, like start having gratitude towards it. But yeah, this was just like a little challenge for me, just of more so gratitude. Now I feel like I'm not like just mindlessly eating chocolate, which is good, but I'm very excited to enjoy my first piece of chocolate, and I think I'm gonna get Swedish candy because that's special to my heart. The moment is finally here. This challenge is done, and I can reintroduce sugar back into my life, and I'm just so excited to see like, what does sugar taste like? Oh my God, Swedish candy. So if you've never been to Sweden, so my boyfriend's Swedish, and when I was there, like a little tradition is once a week we'd go get Swedish candy. It's kind of like bulk candy, but better. You just get a big bag and you scoop everything out, and there's a Swedish candy store here in Vancouver, so it's all individual because COVID. Pour them all in here. Oh my God, my favorite are these things. Oh. And if you know me, chocolate is like my favorite. Oh, cinnamon buns too. Okay, I'll get a cinnamon bun later today. But this Swedish chocolate, oh my God, we're gonna dive in. Oh, it hits so different. It hits so different. Okay, there's chocolate balls and now chocolate. I haven't done a toss in so long. Okay, do I still have my candy toss abilities? Oh. Natural born talent. And this is why I did this challenge. Bliss. Oh, the nostalgia. Oh, I'm so happy right now. So it's been about 12 days, could be 15. I didn't really do a set date. I was originally like in my head, I'm always like 30-day challenges. I just wanted to go and listen to my body until sugar sounded good, but I didn't like need to mindlessly have it. Why did I do that like this? TikTok has ruined me. So yeah, this wasn't a very black or white challenge. It was just, now sugar sounds good. I don't have this weird habit towards it pull, but the taste of it sounds refreshing and yummy and like a oomph. Sugar gets a bad rap. I'm not gonna go into science because there's so much conflicting things. You can go do your own research there. Sorry, Registered Keltie, we gave her a week off. Only thing I can say for sure is the only thing we all agree on, that stress is like the root cause of everything that's bad in the world. And if eating sugar or the thought of sugar and all this causes you stress, that's not good. It's just less stress. Enjoy. Sit, enjoy. Sugar isn't your life partner. It is not your wife, your husband, your number one. It's just your like after work friend you see once a week, you go for coffee with, you enjoy their time, but yeah, it's not an everyday thing. There's my no sugar challenge. That's as close as you guys are gonna get. Because sugar and me have a very healthy and loving relationship, so
don't come between us.
Have a great day, pet a dog. Love you guys, bye.